When you watch videos like this one, does it cut in and out because it's buffering? Maybe your Wi-Fi disconnects and then reconnects, or it's buggy or glitchy, or maybe even your Bluetooth doesn't work like you want it to when you're listening to music on your headphones, or maybe when you're in your car navigating around, connecting your phone through CarPlay to the Bluetooth on your car. I'm going to show you how to fix that through resetting your network settings. However, let's cover what that actually does. So on here, keep in mind when you do reset your network settings, it will remove all of your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, but I'll show you where to find those so you can write them down and copy them. It'll also remove your Bluetooth pairings and reset your cell network preferences. However, if you wanted to reset those network settings, a lot of times it fixes tons of issues. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. First, tap on Wi-Fi, that second option. And then I would recommend tapping on Edit at the top right and using your Face ID to unlock this, or let me just enter in my passcode here. And on here, you're going to check all of the passwords because, again, resetting these network settings does delete these Wi-Fi passwords. So on any of these, you can just tap on the little I right next to it and then tap on the password field to reveal what that is, and then just jot it down in the Notes app or on a physical notepad. Now, let's reset those network settings just by going back out of here, scrolling down and tapping on General midway down, and then scroll down again to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then let's choose Reset, the option at the top. From here, you can see an option to reset lots of things on your iPhone, but we're going to choose that second option, Reset your network settings. Tap on that, and you will need to enter in the passcode for your phone, so let me just do that. And now just tap on red, reset your network settings. Your phone will shut off and then restart, essentially resetting all of those network settings for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and cell data. You'll have to reconnect to any of those devices, but it almost always fixes issues with your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even your cell signal. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.